know, bro. I honestly don't know. I do know, but at the same time, I don't fucking know, bro. I don't know, bro. Like, I've been shadow boxing. Okay, nah, I'm kidding. Singing a Yeba song. Man, obviously, like, coming off of yesterday's video, I felt like, honestly, the worst person ever. I felt like I really suck at what I do. My psychology is so fucked up, and I can't even wrap my head around why I did what I did, and forget the things that I was taught and learned and spent hours learning, only for me to go and still get it wrong. But I know it's still part of the process. I still gotta learn the hard way, and trading is one of those things where you find out if you're wrong real quick, and it can make you feel like ultimate shit, bro. Because obviously we're in this to make money, we're in this for freedom, so it feels like that freedom that I'm chasing, yes, the money is part of it, but like I'm ultimately chasing financial freedom. I'm trying to chase freedom. I'm pursuing it, actually. I don't want to say chasing, because they say you don't chase things because they run away from you, but like, you know what I mean. And it just feels like it's just slipping away, bro, and the distance between myself and this freedom is just, the gap is just widening and widening, and I'm just like falling behind, bro. And I'm seeing people in this group, which is hella wrong. I shouldn't. Okay, it's good for motivation, but it can also make you feel like, damn, what am I doing wrong, you know? Like, say there's one guy, I won't mention names, like, he and I just got, I think he got the mentorship like a month before I did, or a month after, a month before, actually, I think. And okay, but I think he's been trading longer than I have, so I'm also kind of like hard on myself at the same time. But it's like he caught on quickly, because like he's been killing it on the charts, and he's been using standard accounts, something that I wanted to do, something that I want to do. But you know, it's just like, damn, bro, why can't I just like, why can't I just get it, bro? Like, I know, I understand, but why can't I just follow my rules, follow my trading plan, and not like fuck up, bro? Because now it's really exposing me, or to myself, that I can't follow shit, bro. I can do it for like maybe a day or two or three, and then when I lose, or when I get that, like when I get proved wrong, it's like, damn, bro. It's like, it just plays with something in me. I don't know what it is, and I'm trying to like, the ego, I guess, and I'm really trying to like master it, bro. Like, I really, 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 really want to like master this ego, bro, because, bro, this is like the only thing I have, bro. This is like the only thing I have right now. I don't have any other plan. I don't have any other ideas on how to do anything. There are other things I know that are out there, but nothing has felt so spiritually correct and right that I needed to do this. I am the chosen ones, if I could put it that way, because this is ultimately the only way I can change my life. I can change my brother's life. I can change my mom's life. Because, bro, I tried the music thing, and that needs money, bro. Like, to be honest, it does. Because I need to be out there. I need to be not networking, but I gotta like put myself out there. I gotta make music, and work has gotten in the way, and I also got comfortable. I really blame myself for the past few years. I got comfortable, but still, like, something just wasn't right. It didn't feel enough, and I found it, which is trading. And it's like, bro, I need this to work, bro. not that I'm desperate for money. Okay, I am, but that's not the idea. That's not the goal. Like the goal is like, bro, I can't keep working. Like, bro, I'm going on 6 years in retail, bro. Oh, at this store, I've been in retail for how many years now? Since like 2017, like holidays, and then full time for like a few months that I was fired from my cinema job. But even that was like strenuous because we work out like long hours, bro, from like 8 in the morning to like 8 at night, 9 o'clock at night, bro. Weekends are even worse, bro. And you're just on your feet the whole time, helping customers get in the cinema, and you just see these families, bro, and like they rich as like you can see they come from money, bro. And I'm just there, like, bro, I'm working here, and I'm like, bro, I identified one with these families and these kids, bro, and it's like, bro, I know I took a decision to like pursue music, and I went wholeheartedly on that shit, but it never even panned out, bro, for years. Because I had this constant doubt that I couldn't fail, bro, and I didn't want to be proved wrong that I'm not destined for that. And now I put that to the side, and I haven't even made music in like the longest time, bro. Bro, I've given up on so much of my dreams, bro. It's not even like fucking funny. I gave up playing soccer, and I love playing soccer, bro. I love playing soccer, dog. Like, I loved it, bro. Like, I couldn't see myself doing anything else but playing soccer. I didn't think I'd even be crying. And then that failed. Because it's like, money, bro. Mom couldn't afford new boots because my boots got stolen by some fucking matric. Fuck that nigga, bro. And she was pissed, and I understand. And then I didn't know what else to do with life. I didn't know. I thought the music would help. Tried that. That shit didn't work. Been doing it for like 10 years now, bro. Been doing it for 10 years. So I just now got 100 subscribers. No one even fucking knows me, bro. Cause I keep putting out shit, and it's like, delete that shit. Put it out. It's still, I wasn't consistent. I tried to be. And I feel like I kind of gave up on that as well. I put it to the side because I needed to, like, bro, I need to make money now. I need to grow up now. I've wasted 6 years, bro. 6 years of my life, bro. Gone. Just like that. I have nothing to show for it. I got no assets. I'm just in fucking debt, bro. I'm in fucking debt. And that's not a nice way to live, bro. Because I mean, you're living paycheck to paycheck. There's nothing worse than like living paycheck to paycheck and you're still in debt, bro. It's just a pit that you've dug for yourself, and you just can't seem. It's like you're climbing, and you just keep falling back, and every time you fall back, that pit just gets bigger and bigger. Oh my god! I'm trying to live life and enjoy it for what it is. I truly am. But it's like, bro, I gotta make something out of my life. I can't be 10 years in retail, bro, and I have nothing to show for it, bro. It's almost 10 years in like 2 years from now. I'm 8 years away from the first time I started working retail, bro. 2 years away, and then 2 years again from being away from like how do I say? It's actually 5 years. Sorry, not 6 years. It's 5 years, and then next year it's 6. Like with this company specifically where I'm working now. Obviously it's Adidas. Not obvious, but yeah. And I'm still no one. I'm still nowhere, bro. I haven't moved. I've been consolidating for the past 6 years, 7 years, bro. I won't lie, I am better off than how I was before I started working here. I got all this shit, I got everything that I have now, but I just have a bunch of things, bro. I don't have, I didn't have a goal, bro. I just knew I wanted to be rich. I just didn't know how. And that's when trading comes in, bro. And it's like, I can't fail at this. I literally cannot fail. I can't give up on my third attempt at becoming someone. I can't become a soccer player now. Music is hard as shit. Now that I'm trying to find the easy way out. Trading is also fucking hard as shit. Like, don't get me wrong, and I'm willing to stick through it. But it just feels like, damn, what am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? And I'll break down the trade I took today. And today is like, I was watching this video on how, I guess it's called The Best Losers Win. And it obviously goes over how the best losers win. I think Tom Hogarth is the author or something. And I watched it this morning and last night, falling asleep, and I finished it today on the way to work. And yeah, and trading is definitely a fucking mirror, bro. Trading is a real nice mirror. It would bring out your traumas as a kid, because you just don't want to be wrong. You don't want to feel hurt. That's why when losing hits so hard, bro. But aside from that, the key takeaways I got was like, yes, it's a mirror, and it's me against me. It's not me against the market. The market is the teacher. It will teach me and show me where it wants to go. I just need to be paying attention and be aware of what it wants to do. But it's like, damn, bro. I'm trying for real, bro. I'm really, really trying. I put half of my account, micro account, into micro account. And I stuck it through. I feel like I put my phone over. I did check, like, but I checked less frequently now. And I just didn't wanna. I didn't. How do I say? Feel some type of way. I lost, yes, but it's like, okay. And then I see, okay, it was just retracing, bro, because it's still on the uptrend. And it's like, because I thought it broke the swing low, but then that actually wasn't a swing low. It's like, damn, bro. Maybe I just analyzed wrong. But if it pushes down again, I guess I was right. It's just obviously with what I was backtesting last night, it didn't always. The market won't always correct and continue immediately. It'll probably do it like, I don't know, after like the second time around or the third time around. So maybe I just got in the first time around and my account just too late to handle the drawdown. But yeah, man, and that's like, bro, this is taking so much out of me, and it's like not even funny. But at the end of the day, I'm not gonna quit, bro. I'm not gonna quit now. I'm just gonna go back to the drawing board, go back to those lessons, rewatch them, wake up every morning and look at this and just like, okay, that's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for. These are the things that I'm looking for. These are the A+ setups that I need to look for. You know? Because it's like, what else do I have, bro? What else do I freaking have, bro? I legit have nothing else to do in my life but this, bro. And I know I'm gonna master this shit, bro. I know I'm gonna master this shit, bro. I just need to remember swing lows, swing highs. That's what I'm looking for. Because what I was doing is basically trading and retrace, bro. And it's like, nah, dog. And I'm gonna get this shit right, dog. I don't care what happens. I don't give a fuck what happens, bro. I'm not gonna let this shit beat me, dog. Yes, I'm getting beaten. We're losing the battles, but I'm not losing the fucking war, bro. End of the day, I'm gonna win that war, and I'm gonna be sitting on that throne, looking at all the bodies I laid down, metaphorically. All the bodies I laid down. I'm a one-man army, bro, and I'm gonna, yo, bruh. Bro, if I give up, I'm a fucking pussy, bro. Then I'm just a pussy. For real. If I give up on this, bro, I'm a fucking pussy, and I deserve to fucking be a loser. I deserve to not become the man that I want to be. I deserve every fucking bad thing that'll come my way. If I give up now on this, forget it, dog. This is me to me, bro. If you're watching this, when you're watching this, I want you to be watching this in a fucking, bro, like you're in your car, dog. You bought your car, you paid off your debt, you're not even working anymore at Adidas. Bro, you got a car, bro. Even if it's not the dream cars we want yet, but we're on the fucking way, bro. Like we're consistently making, we've replaced our jobs, essentially. We've replaced our job and we're making more money a week than we ever made a month working at Adidas. And we've seen the most money we've ever seen. We're saving with discipline, bro. I'm in shape, I'm ripped or shredded or whatever the case is, bruh. I'm just him, bro. That's when you're watching this, bro. I'm making you proud right now, dog. I'm not gonna give. I'm gonna look back at this. I'm gonna fucking cry, dog. It's like, damn, I really meant that shit. I stuck to my word and I never went back on it, despite all odds, bro. I'm gonna be so robotic with this. I'm not even gonna flinch. I'm gonna stick to the plan to the T, bro. I'm done fucking trading like an idiot, like a loser, bro. If I don't see anything that I need to see, I'm not trading, bro. Today I did not see any swing highs or lows or whatever. Maybe I'm right. I'm still gonna check the charts. I'll still break it down. I don't know. I'm probably right, but maybe it's just what the market is. But either way, dog, these setups that I'm seeing here, that side posted, that okay, this is gold, but this is a trend, bro. This is how markets move when it's trending, bro. I need to be trading this shit right now. Oh, bro, the markets are choppy as fuck, and I'm seeing it's like, oh, that's why I'm fucking losing, because I'm not seeing swing highs, I'm not seeing swing lows. Everything is just here, bro, and I'm trying to trade a consolidation. I'm looking at the 15-minute. I shouldn't be looking on the 15-minute, bro. I shouldn't be forcing something, okay, broke a swing low. Nah, nigga, I'm supposed to wait for the 1 hour or 4 hour swing low to get taken out, and then I can enter. I know what I need to fucking do, bro. I know. I fucking know what needs to be done. And there's honestly no reason for me to fail, bro. There's no reason for you to fail right now. Yes, you feel like shit now. Yes, you lost. Yes, you overtraded. Yes, you overleveraged. Yes, using money not willing to risk. But I'm fucking done, bro. I'm fucking done with that bullshit, bro. I'm done feeling sorry for myself. I'm done making stupid ass mistakes. I'm done forcing trades. If I don't see shit, if nothing was taken out, I'm not fucking trading, bro. Today I waited for it to retest back. I thought it was a swing low. Like I said, I'll see, but it just chopped me. And even if I didn't put a stop loss, I still would have been taken out. I would have lost my whole account. So I'm gonna fucking learn right now, bro. I'm gonna go back to the basics, rewatch those videos, reprogram my mind. I'm a fucking winner, dog. You're a winner. We are profitable. We are successful. That I don't know if you can see it. Those daily affirmations, I don't write that shit for nothing, bro. I didn't type that shit out and put it next to my bedside for nothing. I'm fucking delusional, and I'm gonna make sure this shit fucking works, bro. Because it's possible. I just gotta fucking wake up, dog. I just gotta fucking open my mind, dog, and open my eyes and stop trading like a bitch. Stop trying to force a trade, dog. Stop trying to make money. Try to find setups. The setups is what's gonna get you money. My goal is not to make money. My goal is to find the setups, execute. I'm done. Proper setups. Not the bullshit I've been trading, bro. Or like I traded today and yesterday. these kind of setups, the setups at side shoulder, setups that I'm studying, that I've studied, bro. Those are the setups that I need to be taking. Swing highs, swing lows is where, bro, I know what a swing high and swing low is. It's obviously these things, but those are swing highs, swing lows. Higher highs, higher lows, bro. But if this shit came down here and broke it, of course, then it's something. These are the setups I need to be trading, bro. Where it's trending, not fucking in a ranging market, bro. And you need to fucking see that. I see it now, but I need to fucking remember that. I'm not trading on the 15-minute or the 5-minute. Off that shit. Looking at the 1 hour, 4 hour for structure. If it's fucking ranging, I'm not in it because it's fucking ranging. It's not trending. It's not moving. There's no trend. Yes, there'll be smaller trends within the smaller time frames, but that's not what I'm looking for. Because I'm trying to hold my trends and maximize my profits and maximize my setups and maximize my executions. That's what I'm supposed to be fucking doing. I'm not supposed to be trading these fucking low time frames, bro. What the fuck are you doing? Like, honestly, dog. Honestly. Do you want to fucking live? Look at right now. I'm at a fucking job where I fucking hate it. Where I fucking hate waking up every morning, going up to work to tolerate people. I don't want to be around people that I have to tolerate, bro. I don't want to be around people that I fucking care about and love and shit. And we could talk about anything and everything that we want to talk about. I don't have to like withhold myself. Because today, I'm tolerating this nigga that fucking did me wrong. He's still there. And I know he's making money, but that's besides the point. The fact that he did me wrong, and it's like, bro, I don't need this shit. I don't need this fucking bad energy. I don't need these people, bro. I don't want to be around them. I don't want to be here. I don't want to wake up and answer to fucking bosses, bro. I don't want that. I'm fucking unemployable at this point. I don't deserve any of this. Obviously, I fucked up, but I know the future you does not deserve this shit, bro. And we're not gonna fucking take this shit anymore, bro. I'm fucking done. I'm fucking done, bro. I'm so fed up with being a loser, dog. I learned my mistakes. I know what I should be looking for. There's no need to be fucking like fucking up with this shit, bro. I shouldn't be doing that. Bro. It's just a lot right now, dog. And it's like, nah, you know what? It's Friday, markets are closed. It's time to recoup and reanalyze myself. Go within myself, bro. I know I have traumas. I know I have that shit. The markets expose that to me. I hate losing. I hate feeling like I'm wrong. I hate feeling like a loser. I get all that. But I'm done, bro. I'm done. I'm 6 months in and I'm still fucking up. I'm gonna fuck up, yes, but my fuck up, I should be done fucking up at this point, honestly. I'm not trying to rush myself because I know I'm also a fast learner, bro. You're a fast learner. There's no need for this bullshit, honestly. You grew up in the age of technology. There's no need to be like a fucking idiot. Like you don't know what you're doing. When you know so much more than the people around you. You're the smartest in the room. In that at workplace, I'm the smartest person there. And that's a dead ass fact, bro. Because no one wants to think on the high level of thinking that I have. And that's a fact. And that's not to shame them and call them dumb or anything. But just based off what they do and what they listen and how they carry themselves, bro. Nah. These past few years, I've been the smartest in the room the whole time. And look where it's got me. No way. Because I wasn't learning from anyone. But you know what? It's fine. I'm going to get myself to a room where I'm the dumbest and I can learn from the wealthiest and smartest people. Trust you me, dog. I pray God is with me. Bro, there's no one there. I can't fail, bro. I won't fail. And I see that with so much conviction. Like, I have that, there's that little voice like, oh, what if I fail? No, nigga, I'm not going to fail, nigga. I'm not. That's the old me thinking. Like, oh no, shit. Oh, what if we fail? Because we failed in the past with music and soccer and shit. Nah, nigga. You gotta go, bro. I'm killing him off. That's not me anymore. I am already morphing. I am the person that I want to be. Confident, speaks with conviction, bro. Zero tolerance for bullshit, bro. You have negative energy, just stay out of my fucking way, bro. If you're trying to talk down on my dreams, stay out of my way. I don't name and shame anyone. You gotta hustle, you fucking do that shit, bro. And you go with it wholeheartedly, and you don't make the same mistakes that I did. You don't ever do that. I'm not gonna make the same mistakes that the old me made. I'm a new person, bro. Because this market showed me that, yo, I'm trading desperately for money because I need it. But it's like, you know what? Fine. I acknowledge that. I'm not an idiot. I'm not gonna be oblivious to that fact. But I'm essentially, my job is to find the setup and take it. That's it. My job is not to make money. The job is to do that. I get paid for finding the right setups and executing on the right time. That is my job. That is what will get me paid. Not trying to make money. My job is not to make money. My job is to find setups. Our job is to find setups. So yeah, I was feeling kind of down, but fuck, I riled myself up, bro. And I'm like, nah, you know what? Fuck this shit, dog. What the fuck? Like, I've been working my ass with this place, and I got treated like shit. I mean, you know what? I'm gonna work for myself then. There's no other way. But I gotta really fix my mindset, bro. I gotta fix my mindset. And I'm gonna record another video tomorrow for sure. I'm gonna post this up. I'm gonna do the breakdown for the trade that took me out, but it's okay. And I'm probably gonna go back on demo. For now, I was thinking about even taking the cash that I was gonna have and just saving it in the trading account, but it's like, should I? I'll just sleep on it and see how I feel. Because ideally, the pros for that is like I'll just be building my capital much faster than had me starting, and I'll get there. I'll get to my goal. My goal is to have like about 20K in my trading account, just to trade with. But yeah, it's that's like March, because we mark a year that I've been doing this, and that's when I'm gonna start taking it seriously. I had 1 year to learn everything I needed to learn. I had also 1 year to save my bread. It was like 6 months, but yeah, and save as much as I can and put all the money in there, and then I'm just gonna hop on demo. I think the reason why I wanted to hop on demos is I won't be risking anything. There won't be any emotions. I know I'm trying to master my emotions with losing and being drawdown, but like I said, my job is to find the setups and execute on them. There won't be any emotions involved, even if I'm a little bit in drawdown or whatever. But if I found the setup, if I found the swing high, swing low getting broken, indicated a new low, and I see we coming back below that level, I'm gonna execute on that. If I see us we're making supports and we broke the swing high and we're coming back above that level, then those are the setups here. Swing high, it got indicated above, then it came back above, he took his buys here, and then he took it up, because that's a trading market. I can see what a fucking ranging market is. Yes, this kind of broke it, but you know, it probably indicated somewhere here, and then it started moving up, and then started making lower highs, ranged a bit, and then came back below that level. I can see that shit, bro. Indicated below this level, and then retested, corrected. It's not gonna probably correct till that level, but once I see it coming back below that, then I can take the execution, bro. Simple as that, though. Simple as that. But yeah, I feel much better now talking and seeing where I want to go. Like I told myself, dog, in a year, bro, debt, all our debt is paid or most of it's paid. I've replaced my job. I'm comfortable, like financially, like working, like I pay my expenses in advance now. Like, I don't need the job now because I've been consistent. 6 months in, by this time I would have been consistent. It's finding the setups. If I don't see a setup, I chill, dog. I don't need to be doing anything. And another thought I had, I wanted to maybe get a prop firm. I don't know. I also might sleep on that, but I'll share my thoughts tomorrow on what I decided to do. Whether I'm gonna just save up everything that I have now, go back to demo. But I'm going to do currency pairs, bro. Like, yo, I know those pairs that move slow as shit, but I'll just probably even do the demo and okay, shit. I was recording and the fucking phone died, bro. I don't know where. Okay, I kind of saw where I ended off, but I don't know what I said afterwards. But yeah, right now I'm just chilling in the lounge. I'm gonna play some Sparky Zero. He's in Sparky. Just waiting for these niggas to fucking send an invite, bro. God damn. They're probably still playing. But yeah, man. Anyway, what I was saying. Yeah. So I'll share my thoughts. I'm gonna sleep on whether I get a prop firm, or I'm just gonna like go back to basics, bro. Just study. Go back, watch those videos. Watch those videos. Just the core side of it. And then, because I don't want to scalp, because I don't want to look in the 15-minute, I don't want to look in the 5-minute. I want to hold my trades, bro. I want to maximize my executions, maximize my entries and stuff. Yes, obviously that comes with more money, but if when my executions are right, I have more money. That just makes the most sense. So yeah, man. Like I'll break down the trade. Probably what I'm waiting for these guys is in the invite and what I'm playing. Just gonna kick back, man. It's the weekend. I'm still working the weekend, shit. But yeah, man. I told myself, done feeling sorry for myself. I'm not gonna fucking be a bitch about it. I'm not gonna be a pussy about it, cause I've got this, bro. I felt it in my soul that this is what God had for me. Oh man, it's raining and my brother went to go get snacks. Shit. I'm watching Infinity Castle finally tonight. So yeah, it's Friday night, movie night. Anyway, man, I'm feeling much better talking to the camera. I feel much better now than I did. Oh man, it's coming down. He can take an umbrella. He's probably running it. Feel bad. Yeah, exercise, man. Anyway, yeah, dog. That's it from me. Sign off the weekend. I'll be back tomorrow. I'm gonna make more of these videos. I like talking to the camera and talking to my future self and manifesting the life we're gonna have. Because I know, bro, we're gonna make so much money next year. I would have paid off my debt. I would have had my car, bro. It's just an A to B car. I would have replaced my job 2x, 3x. I've been consistently making my salary, bro, like it's nothing. And yeah, December, save up my capital, then go full time 2027. Or even before that. Who knows, bro? But I know next year this time I'm profitable. I've taken the test, my psychology is fixed. I'm basically like sign. I risk a lot, but I make way more than I lose. My win rate is in the 90s plus, bro. 95 plus, 92 plus. But yeah, man, because this strategy is just sick, bro. Because 6 months ago, I didn't know shit. I told myself I would be making money now, but I didn't know how to trade. But I figured out how to trade, and I learned that, okay, it took me a bit longer because the psychology side, obviously. But other than that, I'm here now. I've got the next 6 months to get back to studying, fixing my psychology, fixing the strategy, looking for what I want to see, and then building my capital. Then take that test in March, bro. There's nothing else to it. But yeah, I love you, city. This is dog. You're gonna be looking back at this and you're gonna be like, wow, we actually made it. Because I'm putting it out there now. And it's not even funny. Yeah. We break down the trade while I wait for these niggas. And then yeah, peace and love, nigga. Alright, boys. I'm back. Here's a video. I just had to log in. Actually, not logging in. I was just taking a break, unwinding. Actually, I was logging in, actually. I was revising and going over my notes. But anyway. So, what I thought was, this was today. Yeah, so I thought price made a level support here because it came down and started pushing up. So it should have continued to make an uptrend, if that makes sense. Because yeah, I don't know if it analyzes properly. This is on the 1 hour, by the way. Yeah, let me just zoom out like this. Sorry, my charts look
kind of messed up. But yeah, let me just remove what I wasn't paying attention to. Okay, I think it's just that one. So I saw that this level of support was made here. So I see price was making new higher highs, I guess. Higher lows, sorry. There's one. There's a level support because it bought up, level support because it bought up, level support because it bought up. Then it came down, bought up. So I'm like, okay, this price is moving up because it's making higher lows. So that's one of the characteristics I saw. And then all of a sudden it just broke down. This was like this morning. Yeah, like around 9. So I'm like, okay. And I remember that so I was like, if price has rules, trends have rules, and if it breaks those rules, it either wants to change trends. The rules being, if it's an uptrend, it's gonna make higher highs and higher lows. If it's a downtrend, it's gonna make lower highs and lower lows. So, or if it breaks in the rules in any of these trends, then it just wants to consolidate. But I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna wait for. Oh, so this happened like around 9. I didn't get in because I'm like, okay, this is the indication part. I'm not gonna FOMO. I mean, people did trade this. Oh, I saw my mentorship group that my mentor bought the initial push up. I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna let price close and see what it does. So I kind of liked the fact that I was patient and I wasn't trying to get in. I wasn't feeling FOMO or anything. So I don't think I feel those as much as I used to when I first started trading, but with him or with them. So yeah, that's a plus. So yeah, so they then prices started reversing. I'm like, okay. Um, then it played around here. Then it took hours. You see, it's like so from 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11, it stopped pushing down. Then I guess there was a level of buyers here because price pushed up from here. I'm gonna start using the white because the orange and all that just makes it look dirty, man. So yeah, I got new templates and I'm gonna stick with these ones. So yeah, so price pushed up from here because yeah, as you can see, it pushed up the whole day. So okay, I'm gonna wait for price. So I set an alert here. So I was waiting for price to come back to this level where it indicated below the support, so below these buys, and then push back down again. So around 3 o'clock, 3:30 during New York session, I saw it just pushed up. Then my alert went off. Then I'm like, okay, let me wait. Then it pushed up a bit, pushed up, then pushed down a bit. Then I'm like, okay, I guess it kind of it. I guess I was impatient because I was patient, but I was impatient because I was patient enough to wait for it to push up here, and then it pushed back down below this level again. Then I entered, as you can see. If I zoom in on the 15-minute, then I scaled to the 15-minute. Then I saw that okay, it closed below. Then I started seeing it push down. So I wanted it to break the. You see where I set this white line to mark the support? Then it closed below. Then I entered. Then it kind of pushed down. I was in profits, and then it started pushing back up again. And then I got stopped out. I'm like, oh, okay, shit. Maybe I should have just waited because now it if it was gonna move up, like how when this volume it moves like this, you see. But then I saw that nah, man, it started pushing up, and then I got stopped out. Lost like half of my account, which is fine. I didn't really feel upset, but I'm like, okay, you know what? I'm doing something wrong. I really need to like just stop and just be patient and wait because this is the first time around it came through. So I should have waited for the second time around because now you see it started pushing up, and then if it was really gonna move up, it shouldn't be sitting here at this level. It should be pushing up and making higher highs, but then and higher lows and stuff like trending. But then it started ranging after New York session, and then I see that okay, it started coming down before it closed. So yeah, that was a trade I took. I really didn't feel bad because I just followed my process. I followed my strategy, but I guess I didn't follow it to the T because you remember it's supposed to come back the second time or the third time around. So it came up here, then came down the first time. So I should have waited. Okay, price went down, but then I'm gonna wait for it to go back up and come back the second time around. Because even if I had a big stop loss, I could have set my stop loss here But then, I don't think that's like a massive account. But yeah, then it started moving up, and then yeah. So I'll just see on Monday because the markets are closed now. And if price really pushes down back to this level, then yeah, I called it, and I'll be happy because now I know that okay, I can really read price properly. I just need to wait for that second time around and be patient. But then again, also what affects me from not seeing or entering properly or remembering all these things. So I'm at work, man. Like I'm at work, like most of the time. So it just feels like damn, like I don't have time to be sitting around and all that. But I should just be patient to go about my business. That should actually help me. Like okay, be patient enough. Let me just set alerts, put my phone away, and then let it charge for a bit because I know it won't really hit that level so fast. But then yeah, anyway, that's a trade. Feeling much better. Yeah, I'm gonna rant to you guys again tomorrow morning with the decision I made. So yeah, I should do more of these videos.